Hi guys, welcome back. I'm playing in my classic happy planner for next week in September. Oh, TJ, go alone. It's not all about you. Put that out of the camera. There's that. Will you just lay there? You could lay right there and just say hi and not eat my fingers. Not mess up the stickers. You can't do that, can you? No. Okay. So, what? I probably just cut all that out. Hopefully I did. If not, hi TJ. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is I got like used scrapbook paper, and I didn't do a bujo layout last week because I just thought like it would be really good to combine the two anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. And this week is September 11th, which I don't usually plan for because a lot of times that week falls on my first child's birthday, and that takes precedence in this household. So, but this year they're different. So I got out this scrapbook paper. We're going like full American, which is really just blue eagles. But this is the paper we're going to use, and then put that down. And then I got out some stencils, and I don't know, we have some stars that look cool, or these like squares with sharp edges, or squares with not sharp edges, rectangles I guess. And we'll decide what we want to use. So that's where we're going with that. First, I am going to just glue the paper onto here and then cut it later. And I'm going to turn around on this side so I can see where the paper is. I did not cut it straightly. It's not possible. Okay, then we'll hole punch it. I might need to hole punch it twice. Again later when like we're done. But if I don't hole punch it now, there is a chance I might forget that I need to account for the holes. And it is hard to plan through holes. Oh goodness, please say, okay, that's good. That's good. I was like, please say I didn't put it on upside down. I wonder if I could put it like right there like that. I kind of like that idea, so we shall. I'm trying to cover up those letters since right now it's not apparent that it's supposed to say home, and I don't want it to say just any of those letters, but It's just a whole bunch of like scribbles. Oh, let's cut off, yeah, Tuesday. And we'll put Tuesday over here. And then we need days of the weeks and lists. If you saw last week's video, this is a couple days later. Sorry, I am feeling still better, but I still have like a froggy voice, but I'm doing this anyway. So do we want stars, which would be kind of cool, or just boxes? I think we're gonna need to do stars. I think these boxes are really big. So let's do this star all over the page. And we're just gonna go right in, all in, do it. We use a tool pen. Okay, so we need 2 to-do lists, a menu, a bills to pay, and the 7 days of the week. So we need 11 stars. This little piece of white right here is bugging me. So let's just go for it. Is this slightly terrifying for anybody else? Because I'm just writing in pen in my planner with no plan. And I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I don't think that's enough of a star to warrant putting in the corner. So we're not gonna get 11 stars. I am gonna have one going off the page here. I don't know which one's getting an off the page one yet, but something will. If we do 2 days in each star, then how many do we need? So 4 plus 4 is 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and since I have those two going off the edge, I do want to put this one here just for filling in these spots. Okay. That's my thing. Now I need to figure out how I'm gonna do it, because it's gonna be weird to have empty stars. But I don't know. I might have made this side too crowded too. I really like this side. This side's gonna be my favorite side. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sure. We're gonna have a star for every day then. And some days just get a piece of a star, but that's fine. Let's make sure we're doing the right one. So 5, so we need the 6th. And I don't have any date stickers, so I guess we're going stamps. Okay, got my block, my stamps. Start with the days of the week. So that one we're just going to put September. I know I held that up, but I don't like that 6 so far down the middle, so we're gonna fix it next time. I should have done Monday up here. We'll do it down here so it's lower than Tuesday. I mean, lower than Monday, or at least equal to it. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, that thing has to be one. Okay, so okay, 2 to-do lists, a bills and a meals. Meals. Don't forget payday. Let's go notes. Meals, because I'm hungry. So this is the most important one. Okay, not horrible. Not super great, but not horrible. Still readable. So put all our stamps away. Okay. So here's most of the work done. I think we'll just get out planner basics maybe? I don't know. And I have something on the 8th. That one is so bad. And the 9th. We don't have very much room. Let's look in this one first, because this is the one we're trying to use up first. I do have these flag ones, which are super cute. That red wouldn't be bad, because, you know, like red, white, and blue. If we had 2... I guess September 11th is called Patriot Day now. But I don't think I have any more of those stickers. I don't even know if they were stickers. I think I do. And then if something else comes up too, we still have a little bit of room to write that in. Oh, and on that page, we saved it for a reason. In that this Labor Day sticker is supposed to go right there. I have something on Tuesday as well. Might just do one of these stars. Okay, so I think that is it now. Yeah. I kind of don't like that there's red on this side and not on this side. But no. No, I was gonna try and make that work. I don't like it. We'll put like some strawberries over here. So there's something red over on this side. Okay. That is my spread. So if you liked it, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up each new video each week. Put this back on the discs. It doesn't go as well with the pink discs, but that's okay. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Do you not like these little tiny stars? Especially Thursday. Poor Thursday got cut off so bad. But it's okay. I can make it work. I like this eagle is like front and center. This eagle, you really can't tell he's there. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see an after the pen. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Thanks. Bye.